Okay, what we've got to do now is we've got to mix up the mortar, and this is the crucial bit. You can't just put any old slop in there. What you got to do is, we've got the same sand, we've got the same cement. So what I've got to do, we mixed up 5-1, the ratio of 5 sand, 1 cement. So what I'm going to do, I've just got a little cap, look, get the trowel, and that's that simple. Just go like that. 1, 5. Now we've got 5 sand, so that means we want 1 cement. So we're going to have a cement bag. Have a look at that old boy in there, look, get that like that. Get him up equal. Pour that in there. And so we wouldn't want a lot, but the thing is, you've got to mix this right. So whatever you do, you can use a cup, whatever, it doesn't matter, as long as you use 5 of something and 1 of them. Right, we got it all in our bucket. So the key now is, don't chuck the water, and we've got to mix it all nice and dry first. The real key is just got to mix it dry. That's where the art is. So you get all the same colour. This is a bit boring, but if you want the results, this is what you've got to do. And that will colour it lovely. Just keep mixing it over. It's nearly getting there. It's nearly all the same colour. So this is the most crucial bit. This is where people go wrong. I'm going to put an additive in it. You can put any make. This is concentrate. Just go like that, and then we literally, and I mean literally, just want, keep it thick, if you can see that. Just a little, here it comes, that's all we want. That is the smallest amount for now. Right, so the next thing is we get some water, put a little of that in there, don't go mad at this point. And now we're just mixing that, keep folding over it, so a bit like pastry. The biggest mistake, as I say, people make, they put too much water in. It's all in the mixing. So we've got that little bit of additive, a little bit of water. And because you've mixed it dry already, you've done the most of the mix, so I can start to feel it come now. I ain't put no more water. Look, I put such a small amount in. Start to pump. Get a trowel up. Flick a little in like that. Not like that, but like that.
That was chef style, wasn't it?
Oh yeah. Ramsay Bud. Right, that's getting there now. So we don't want it sloppy. We want it well mixed and used. So let's have a look. See what that's starting. Can you see that now? Starting. Yeah, good. And we put the minute amount of that in. Right, just wet that side of the bucket. That's all it is. Yeah, that's nearly there. So that's looking like cream. That is. Right, now we're mixed that, we'll just leave that a second. Let's get some mud on the trowel, just give it a little dampen, look. Get that like that. Right, just give that one in, chuck it off again. Put it on, chuck it off. Right, now that should take a little bit of mud. Yeah, we're there. Let's get it on. I'm not getting much on the brickwork at all, look. Just now get it in, just force it in a bit, then we can get some more in. You can use a little touch trowel, but for now, just do what I want. Right, that's full enough for that. Let's get the next one in.